Hello everybody, this is CJ Wilson of Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram. I just took in this beautiful 2018 Nissan Titan. This is a 4x4 crew cab. It's the actual, it's a special edition truck. This one's also been lifted, as you can tell. Looks like it's got a 6-inch suspension lift with 35-inch tires on it. This does have push button start, does have voice activated navigation, power windows, power door locks, obviously, tilt cruise, heated front seats and heated back seats. As you can see, it's got like this special edition leather in it, and really nice big back seat as well. Got the rear AC vents and cup holders for your rear passengers. And then taking a look at the back here, so it's a Titan SV. The special edition is the Midnight Edition. I don't know if you can see that or not. SV 4x4, rear parking sensors, and you got like this rear step. Sorry, I'll try to. So it comes down so you can get into the back of the truck easier. So definitely need it for this big old rig. So there's a nice look at the tires. So they're like new. This truck only has 10,126 miles on it. Very well maintained by its previous owner. To find out more about this vehicle and others like it, you can contact me, CJ Wilson, at 941-704-3169, or you can visit our website at www.firkinscj.com, and we'll see you soon.